The four things that steal, or should I say, the four things that are stealing a man's peace. By the time that many men hit their 40s, they're carrying stress, regret, pressure, and silence. Today, I want to talk to you about the four things that quietly steal a man's peace. Point one, unfinished conversations. Too many men avoid difficult talks with their spouses, their children, and themselves. So here's some solutions for that. One, have one honest conversation this week. Speak clearly, listen fully, and peace often will begin with the truth. All right. I understand sometimes the truth is hard, but getting it out, that's big. That's really the big thing. So, number one, nice, honest conversation with somebody this week. Number two, speak calmly. Don't get excited. Don't rehearse it, but know what you're going to say. Three, listen fully. A lot of us are so busy trying to come up with our answers or our replies that we're not listening fully. So the person that we're talking to also feels as though we're not listening to them fully and they don't feel heard, so we don't make progress. All right, because remember, peace also often comes with truth. So be truthful in what you're going to say. Now, point two. Point two is that financial confusion. Know your numbers. I know it's hard, especially when time has already gone by and you feel as though you've wasted so much time. But know your numbers. Create a simple budget for yourself. Cut one unnecessary expense away. Just cut it away. There's things that we all do that we don't need to do, and some of those things are draining us. And we can put that money and those resources into other resources. Things that are going to help us grow. Things that are going to help us develop, or things that's going to get us where we need to get. The other one is start automatically saving. It doesn't matter how old you are. Even a small little step is going to start moving you in the right direction or give you more ability to have more flexibility with what you're doing. Number three, constant noise. This is one that gets us all. The news, social media, comparison culture. It keeps men mentally exhausted. Remember, when you see a video, most people's videos, they've edited it, they've done all types of stuff to it, they've AI'd it, all of those different things. So what you're seeing a lot of times isn't the real them. It's not the true them. All right. It's not how they actually look when they get up in the morning or as they go through their day. It's the cosmetic version. And then the news nowadays, again, you got to take it with a grain of salt. Everything has been politicized. Everything has got somebody else's agenda in mind because those are the people that are paying their bills. Those are the people that are pulling their purse strings. So you have to take everything with a grain of salt and you have to do your own research. And when I say do your own research, don't look at the places that you just want to hear what they got to say because what they have to say agrees with you. Look at the other side and try to see things as they are. All right. So with that solution, take a 30-minute reset daily. So take 30 minutes out of your day daily to reset yourself. Two, no phones, no TVs. Just walk, think, pray, read, breathe. I talked to somebody literally this past weekend, and they were telling me how the last time I saw them was last year, and the two different people, two different times, but the same day, both told me that, hey, I bought your book. So I looked at them, and the first thing I said to them was, cool. So did you read it? And both people literally looked down at the ground. Yeah, they bought the book, and I appreciate the patronage, but they haven't read the material. So what's a library that you never open a book on? A waste of money, a waste of space, and a waste of time. The answers to your questions could be right in front of you, but if you don't open the book to read that, to see that, then guess what? You're not going to know anything anymore. All right? And you taking that walk, you thinking and praying and reading or whatever it is, or just the breathing, is going to help you to become one with you. Point four, carrying everything alone. All right. Strength is not isolation. A friend of mine literally said something to me once because I kept ignoring something. I had this particular thing I needed to deal with. And this particular person that was talking to me, it's what they did for a living. And I'm a very independent person. So I've never really had a lot of people help me. So what this person did was they kept asking me, offering to help me, offering to help me. And I wasn't complaining or anything. They brought it up. But one day the brother said to me, bro, why you blocking my blessing? Blew me away because I had never had anybody do that before. And again, I'm not religious, but the concept was amazing for me. It blew me away. It really did because I wasn't expecting it. Point 4, as I was saying, carrying everything alone is not good. It's not good at all. So find a trusted male friend, or if you're a female friend that you can talk to. Somebody that you trust and somebody that's not just going to co-sign your bullshit. All right. Somebody that's going to tell you the truth and somebody that's got some knowledge in the area in which you're speaking in. Or if you just want to vent, somebody that you can vent to. But understand that that needs to be a trusted friend. Okay, next, mentor or brotherhood or womanhood. Those things matter. Having somebody that you can look up to that's already walked the walk and talked the talk. A lot of us, we've picked people that have never been through it, but yet we're taking advice from them. And that could be your mother, your brother, your sister, your aunt, your grandmother. If they haven't gone through it, they can't really give you advice. All right? They just can't. Okay, the next one is understand that everybody, every strong person, every strong man, every strong woman needs support. So, in closing, a peaceful man is a powerful man. A peaceful woman is a powerful woman. The goal isn't to escape life. All right? It's to build life. Build life that doesn't need to be escaped from. It's really it. So a peaceful man is a powerful man. And a goal isn't to escape life. It is to build life and build a life that you need and that you don't need to escape from. Again, this is Mr. Z Inspires. You guys have a great rest of your day. Take care, be well, and if we can help you, please feel free to reach out. Peace.